Lesson 1. Oral Skills and Dictation. Paper 1 Part 1 tests a variety of oral skills. First, you will tackle sight singing. You will be asked to sing a short diatonic phrase. To help you establish the key, the examiner will play the tonic chord, followed by the key note before you begin. Next is rhythm response. You will hear a short melodic phrase played twice, and you must clap or tap its rhythm. You will also encounter dictation exercises, where you must fill in occasional missing notes marked by asterisks. For tonal melodic dictation, you must provide both the pitch and the relative rhythmic duration of each missing note, and the excerpt will be played 4 times. For atonal dictation, the rhythmic pattern is already provided, so you just need to identify the asterisk pitches by ear. Note that in the atonal excerpt, no interval between adjacent notes will exceed a perfect fifth. Another key exercise is 4-part dictation. You will hear a short 4-part excerpt played 4 times. The alto and tenor parts are given, and you must write down the soprano and bass. This is excellent training for harmony tasks because it develops your ability to hear the outer voice framework. Finally, you must identify modulations in a 2-part melodic phrase played twice. You will hear the tonic chord first to orient you. Be prepared to name related key modulations, such as moving to the dominant or the relative major.